So how do you know if you've got access to Copilot? Everyone's talking about it, and are you missing out? Let's take a look. If you have a Microsoft 365 account, then you have access to the free Copilot chat, and I'll show you how to access that. If you have the Copilot license, you'll see it inside Word, Excel, Outlook and PowerPoint. But today I want to show you how to access Copilot for free within your Microsoft 365 account. You need to log on to Microsoft Edge. This is the Microsoft browser. And on the top left, you'll see that I've signed in here with my email address and password. You need to do this in order to access Copilot inside Edge. So once you've signed in, over on the far right, you'll see the Copilot icon. That opens up the side panel, and now you've got Copilot. So you can ask questions about a particular website which you've got open in the browser, or you can choose to summarize a PDF if you've opened that in the browser. Copilot gives you some prompts to get started. The thing with Copilot is it uses NLP, natural language processing, so you just need to have a conversation with Copilot. Try it and see how it works. The second way to access Copilot is go to office.com, and that will default to this address. Office.com is just easier to type in and remember. Down the left hand side you'll access Copilot from here, and if it's not there, go to the waffle and do a little search for Copilot, and then you may find it located and then you can pin it. So Microsoft have integrated Copilot into our 365 experience here. And now I've got the space to try some prompts for myself, or I can even upload files here. Let's create a new chat. Top left you can see new chat. This green icon shows that enterprise data protection is on. So we know this is a secure place to talk and to share files. This time I'll upload a file, and it may be that I'd like to summarize this file, translate this file. There's lots of things I can do. And now I've got a summary of this file. I can ask further questions, and I've got some prompts here, or I can make up my own questions and talk to Copilot this way. So click a new chat to start a new topic, and all your old topics and history are saved here on the right, so you can access them and return to them at any stage. So if you've got a Microsoft 365 license, yes, you have access to Microsoft Copilot Chat.